Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Maintaining your DYSON HS is crucial for ensuring its longevity and performance. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device in top shape. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment. These tools will help you access and clean the internal components effectively. Begin by unplugging your DYSON HS. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the base. This will expose the internal components, including the motor and filters. Take a moment to inspect these parts for any dust or debris buildup. If you notice any significant accumulation, use the soft brush to carefully clean the surfaces. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Next, focus on the filters. Your DYSON HS is equipped with a washable filter that should be cleaned regularly. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as these can damage the filter. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it into the device. While you're at it, check the motor for any obstructions. Use the vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment to suck out any dust or debris that may have settled inside. This will help maintain optimal airflow and performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Our team can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your DYSON HS. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts during operation. Finally, plug your DYSON HS back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, you've successfully completed the maintenance. Remember, regular maintenance not only extends the life of your DYSON HS, but also ensures it operates efficiently. If you ever need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you keep your device running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.